Hi everybody, Big Guy here. Welcome to Mike's Garage. Today we got some work to do around the yard, cut up a few trees. I got the chainsaw here. I got to put a nice edge on that blade. It's been a while since I've used it. It's about 18 years old, so you got to take care of it and it'll keep taking care of you. What we're going to use today is we're going to use a Dremel. Now what I did is I put a real small cutting wheel on the end of the Dremel. You can see I've used it before. We're going to touch each blade on a 30-degree angle sideways and a 30-degree angle down. You just have to eye it up. There's no way to measure it. I just can't stand there with that little file and file every tooth. You just have to touch each tooth for 10 seconds with this. Puts a nice edge on it again. I'm going to turn the camera around so we can see what we're doing here, and then we're going to go cut up a tree that fell during the winter. Hang on, I'll be right back. Okay, here we are. We have the Dremel all set to go. Put it up about half speed. I mark some strikes on the top of one of the teeth so I know when I got around the full rotation. Just pull it up, touch each tooth for about 10 seconds. It is running a little faster speed so we can get through this. I try not to overdo it. There's a little hash mark on the top of each one that shows you the angle, and then there's a downward angle you have to try and maintain. So you have that. Swing it around the other way to do each tooth on the other side the same way, same downward angle, same right to left angle. And we'll get that done, head over to the tree, and we'll take it from there. See what we have to do to get this done today. Okay, you see what we did there? We did one side, then we did the other. About 30-degree angle. Makes the teeth nice and sharp. Make sure you wear your safety glasses and some hand protection when you're around sharp power tools like this. Anything that's going to throw sparks can hurt your eyes and cause permanent damage, so be careful. All right, now we're going to make sure this has gas and oil, and we're going to go try it out. Be right back. Stay where you are. Okay, this is a tree that fell over the winter. Got the chain all sharpened. Let's see how it works. Really good, much better than it was. Hope it's a helpful tip. Be careful when you're using a chainsaw. Always use the right protection. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody, almost forgot. Hit that subscribe button. We need more subscribers, and ring the bell so you get notified next time we put a video up. Thanks for watching Mike's Garage. We'll see you next time. Be safe.